by watching this video till the end, I promise you, I will be able to help you to build a proper trading strategy. We are not going to focus on trading psychology. We are not going to focus on risk management. All we are going to do is we are going to focus on building a proper trading strategy. This is that one line. We are going to focus on that, and I'm going to give you the in-depth information about how you can become profitable by focusing on the right thing. So if you're someone who is a beginner, who doesn't know anything about the market, I must say that you should stay away from this video. You can go to Zerodha by Varicity and start learning from the basics. But if you are someone who is still trading the market for maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, and who is someone who is still not profitable, this video is for you. This video is for you, my brother. I'm going to help you for you to build a strategy. If you are struggling, I'm going to help you. And if you are someone who need to upskill, like if you are able to find some profitability, and if you are someone who is to build that profitability and make a greater return, I'm going to help you on that as well. So by watching this video till the end, you will have so much value that you are able to become profitable. So my name is Arshad and welcome to AI Trading Community. So the first thing which I'm going to do is, we have many mentors, right? Some mentors, what they did is they have written some books, and we can take that knowledge and implement it in our life and it in our trading career. So I was recently reading, or I was actually reading this one book, The One Thing. So in this book, the ultimate strategy or the ultimate one-line summary of this book is, we need to focus on one thing that will have the biggest impact. Okay, so we need to focus on one thing that will have the biggest impact, blocking out distractions. What we need to do is we need to act as a beam of light where our focus is really good, right? Our focus is really good, and we just focus on one thing rather than focusing on 3 or 5 or 6 things. All we need to do is focus on one particular thing in order to succeed. So I'm going to take that information and I'm going to take that information and put that into my trading so that I have a profitable strategy. So the first thing is, in order to build a strategy, so in order to implement a strategy, there is a process. So we need to focus on one thing, right? The first thing is focus on your core trading, your core trading focus, right? You need to have that focus so that you have a proper results. So the first thing is, you need to first identify your trading style. So the first thing which you need to focus in order to build your strategy is focus on your trading style. You need to find what type of trading style which you are using. Maybe you are a scalper, maybe you are a swing trader and positional trader. But if you are not profitable, the only thing which you need to do here is, based on your past experience or based on your past data or based on your past journal, find that trading style which gave you some profitability. It can be scalping, it can be swing trading, it can be day trading, right? Find that strategy, but I need you to focus on that particular strategy and stick to that strategy maybe for 3 months in order to get results. So let's say you have chosen swing trading. Maybe you hold the trade for 1 to 2 days and you sell the stock, right? Or the options contract. So if you choose swing trading, I need you to skip all other things. You need to just focus on swing trading. So from this, you need to understand, based on your personality, you need to understand what strategy gave you that biggest impact or biggest profitability, and only choose one method from this list. It can be scalping, right? If you have previously did scalping, and if you are able to find some profitability, you choose that, right? The second thing is, after choosing this, maybe I will choose swing trading here, right? After choosing this, the next thing which you need to do is, you need to find your trading strategy. Before finding your trading strategy, you need to use the trading strategy which have the biggest impact. Maybe it can be indicator trading. I'm against indicator trading. It can be price action trading. It can be institutional trading. There can be millions of videos in YouTube which says that indicator trading is better, which says that SMC is better, which says that institutional trading is better. The only thing which you need to do is, as a trader, focus on the thing, right? Focus on that particular thing which has the biggest impact. So, based on your previous data, based on your personality, you should choose one thing which has the biggest impact. It can be institutional trading method or SMC trading method. I don't care which method you choose, but I all I need is you need to choose just only one thing from the here. I chose swing trading. I chose then institutional trading. The next thing is you need to choose that market type. What the main problem with many of the trader is, by facing that back, by facing that losses, by facing that mental struggle, what they do is they jiggle. Most of the traders, they jiggle from one method to other method, one market to other market, one trading style to the other trading style. But as a individual, or as a person who is, who's using the information wisely, I need you to choose only one method from here. Maybe you can choose stocks, maybe you can choose forex, cryptocurrencies, derivatives. It's completely up to you, but only choose one method from here. So after choosing these three, then the next thing is, what I did is, after finding, like, let's say you have chose the forex here. Let's say you have chose a swing trading, institutional trading method in the forex market. The next thing is you need to identify what time of the day you are going to trade. You are not going to trade every time, right? You need to choose a particular window which you are going to execute your trades. You can choose that as well. So after this is implemented, then after this thing is finished, the next thing which you are going to do is you need to document everything. You need to document what have you chosen here, what have you chosen here, what have you chosen here. You need to document that. And the next process is, based on the documentation, you need to go back and back test, or you need to paper trade in the market. You need to paper trade in the market so that you understand that this strategy work at this particular time, this strategy works at this particular market, and you need to back test, and you need to have a paper trading account as well. So when using paper trading, what you do is you forward test. So every time that setup appear based on your one thing method, you need to execute your trade on your paper trading account. Also, when you have the time, you need to go back and back test as well. So you do the forward test, you do the forward test with the help of paper trading, and then you are going to do the back testing as well. And then you need to focus on other things as well. You need to look at the win rate, profit and loss, all of these things which I mentioned here is actually focused on the risk planning aspect, and we are going to do a video on that as well. So do that, and then collect data. After collecting data, maybe for 1 month, 2 months, or maybe for 21 trading days. That's what Mark Douglas say, right? He says that in order to identify whether a strategy works or not, we need to trade for at least 21 trading days. That's the calculation which he gives. So you need to do that for maybe 21 days and understand whether it works or whether it doesn't work. If it works, you are going to put your real money, and you are going to execute your trades. So I hope you got some value from this particular video, and I'm going to give you more in-depth videos which actually works. You can see the comment section which I got. Many people are sending me messages on Instagram and YouTube saying that they have a greater impact in their trading by focusing on the things which have the biggest impact. And thank you so much. And I'm going to upload more videos so that you have a proper understanding about how to build a strategy, how to have a proper risk management plan, and how to have a trading psychology. Thank you so much.